Market Daily Visualization with Ken Long at Tortoise Capital. It is May 4th, 2026. Let's adjust price by day and day 5. Days 2 through 5. Adjust the 5-day low. Adjust the price. The auto short. The auto long. The 10-day high remains the same. We're going to adjust the 10-day box. 30-day box. The 30-day low. The 20-period regression line. The 10-period regression line. The PSAR for the 30. PSAR for the 10. A new 10 bill. The slope of the SMA 30 still just about correct. That's projection. The 150-day lens. And now the 150-day slides over. And there we have it. Orderly recovery, still very positive. It's got to hold above 709, however.